Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete multiple pages from a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this page layout option and also click on this page thumbnail option. And here you will find this delete option. So you will click on this delete and delete dialog box now open here. And I will select multiple pages, select pages option and select page range. I will first delete first two pages and simply select delete and say these first two pages now gone and already deleted. Also I will delete this page number 5 and 6 at once. Select delete option and select pages 5 to 6 and select delete. In this way you can delete a specific pages or all pages you want to delete, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.